The GPS weekly timer with optional message and alarm is an advanced programmable timer and digital clock system designed for public address and building automation systems. The main features are a 12-inch high brightness LED display which is visible from a distance. It is a dual-purpose display, providing accurate time and programmed messages. It is GPS-synchronized timekeeping for precise accuracy. Create your own weekly schedules using our PC software. The display switches between time and programmed messages. It has an audio output for chimes and sounds. Let's dive into the demo of the weekly timer. We will look at the following configurable actions of the product. We can see how to assign or configure the IP address of the clock, fixing the clock format, break detail wizard, break list details, and demo of the product. The first step is to assign or configure the IP address of the clock. In the module, the first tab is the IP settings. Select or assign the IP address of the clock that is to be configured. Click on Connect. The clock will be successfully connected. Clock can be either synced to 12 hours or 24 hours format. Click on Sync to sync the time in the desired format. The next step is to configure the break detail wizard. In the break detail wizard, the components such as break number, active checkbox, break day, break start time, break end time, break message enable checkbox, music settings, break message text box, and set break button are available. Let's look at it one by one. Break number is the number of breaks that we create. We can create any number of breaks for the timer. Click on the active checkbox to enable the break. Using the break day, we can assign the breaks to a particular day or to a certain set of days. For example, we can set the timer to play music and show a message only on Fridays. Assign the break start time and the end time. Minimum break time is 1 minute. Break start time and end time is in the format HH, MM, SS. Then select AM or PM. Click on break message to enable the break message. This is an optional feature to show along with the break music. Click on music to show a drop-down of music file names already preloaded. You can select any one of the music that will be played at the assigned break. Add the desired text to the break message box in line 1 and line 2. Click on Set Break. The new break is created and it goes to the break list details. The break list is the set of all the breaks that are created which are either active or inactive. Any number of breaks can be created. It shows the list of breaks that are assigned to each IP address of the factory timers, the music chosen, break start time and end time, break message, break days list, and whether each break is active or not. For a given break, the break days list column tells us which of the days the break will be active. We can give multiple breaks for a single day. We can make a break active or inactive. To do that first, select any break from the break list. The details will be populated in the break wizard tab. Uncheck the box to make the break inactive. The break will not be active anymore. The clock is successfully connected. The time right now is 5:34 p.m. A break is assigned by modifying the start time as 5:36 p.m. and assigning the break end time at 5:38 p.m. using the drop-downs. The message is set as tea time. Click on the Set Break button. The break is now set. Now the break list is updated with the new break details. At 5:36 p.m., the music is played with the message displayed.